Hey, I'm Jonathan here at Humanoids Summit, and I'm here with Russel from MassRobotics, and he has this fascinating robot here that is different than anything else we've seen so far. Russell, tell me about this robot.
Yeah, so this is a robot that's designed to be a specifically different characters. So this one's Pia, which is a VTuber, which is like a streamer. She has her own character, but we designed it so it can be present at shows physically, so they can do meet and greets, and you can meet like a anime character in real life.
This isn't something you'd buy for your kids. This is something that you would have at like an exhibit event or...
It's a service right now, so like if you're, a lot of people are, I usually like to say, if you're not Disney, if you're like, I have a character, if you call Disney, they're like, oh, it's not a Disney character, I'm not going to talk to you.
Okay.
You can talk to us and we can help you make your character.
Oh, so you can like, these are like custom.
This is all custom.
Oh,
yeah.
that's awesome.
Yeah, so it's all like 3D printed, custom, designed. We help with the models.
Does it talk? Talk as in I can talk to it and it talks back, or is it more like pre-programmed talking?
So right now we just have it pre-programmed for the demos here.
Yeah.
You could have the actress actually talking live,
oh, wow.
physically moving with it. Also, you could install an AI that would talk. So
highly customizable for what you're trying to
Yes.
do. This specific one is like a girl, I could get a guy. It doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want.
Yep. You can do whatever.
That's cool. Where are you guys located?
So I'm based in Boston. The company originally was had to move in Japan, so it came from Japan.
Oh, wow, okay.
But we're trying to expand globally and check stuff out.
Trying to get these in like storefronts or more entertainment?
More like shows and artistic, like different visual shows, like a Miku Expo or like an opera or something, singing it, just to maybe in the lobby to like meet and greet people and like talk to people.
Can it walk or does it stay static?
It can't walk right now, but we're working on a version that can walk and dance, and that's actually like the ultimate. I can't wait to see like a dancing robot show, an anime idol show.
Well, this is really cool though, because even if it doesn't walk right now, I could see this really be something fun. I keep thinking like a storefront. I mean, it drew me into this booth. It could draw people into some special launch or whatever you want this at, or I don't know, maybe it's on a tour with a musician and you meet the virtual version of whoever's the next big pop star. So really cool. So if people want to learn more about this, how would they find you?
Yeah. So this specifically, this endeavor is collabots.net. So COLLABOTS.net. And then we're under MassRobotics, which is a co-working space in Boston.
Okay.
So we're based in Boston. They have a lot of different robotics companies there. I do a lot of work there as well.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you, Russell, and I look
thanks.
forward to learning more about this.